The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. Then this tutorial I'm using Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in any video converter, hit enter on your keyboard, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on the first result right here. Right click on it and then click on open link in the tab. Then go ahead and click on here. Then you have it right here. Any video converter free. So best free video converter and compress so with millions of RP and devoted for over 20 years. So scroll down right here. You have some of these are free right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. If you are using go ahead and click on free download for Windows, click on it, and it's going to redirect you right here. Any download any video converter free instantly. Go ahead and just like so, you can see the application has successfully here. Go ahead and click on save, and right here allow it to save successful. It's just about 9.2 megabytes right here. So it has been successfully downloaded to your PC. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and minimize our browser. And we want to make sure we look for our download folder to bring out the software setup. So for that, I'm going to open up this particular folder right here. And I'll go ahead and click on my download folder and go ahead and click on the software setup right here. Go ahead and hit enter key on my keyboard. After you have successfully download and install any video converter, you have the app icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select, click on the app icon, press enter key on your keyboard, and it's going to load up right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and select the MP4 or MP4. So next thing you want to do to select the file that you want to convert right here, like for instance, this particular file right here. Going to select it, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on open right here, and then allow everything to load just like so. Next thing we want to do here is to navigate to our output profile right here. So click on here and make sure you navigate to audio, and go ahead and select MP3 right here. Then you have your bitrate right here. You can increase the bitrate to increase the audio quality. Lastly, go ahead and click on convert now. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and continue right here. Click on continue. And the file has been successfully converted to MP3, just like what you see right here. So you can see it's now MP3 file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about file conversion like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.